Okay, so this will be lesson 3, session 2. Okay, we're again talking about subtraction. Okay, using place value strategies to subtract. Okay, it says use base 10 blocks to find these differences. Okay. So if I'm using 10 blocks, okay, how many hundreds do I need? 2 of them, right? So that would be 100. Okay, and I need to subtract 10. So I need to subtract one of those, one of the 10s. So how many 10s are in 100? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hold on. All right, so I have two. I said that we have 200s, right? Okay, out of those, let's make it perfect. So we have 200s, and we said how many hundreds are in? How many 10s are in 100? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's 9. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So I need to, out of all those, how many do I need to subtract? 10 of them. Which is just one. I need to subtract one column, right? So I'm going to subtract this right here. Okay. So now how many 10s are left?
9.
I have 9 here plus the 10 here. 19, right? Okay, 19. So I have 10 here, that makes 100, right? And I have 9 here, which makes 90. So 190 is what? 190 is 190. So when I subtract 210, I get what? How much again? 190. Okay. Now I'm going to subtract how many? 20 of them. So I just could subtract one more, right? Now how many I have left?
180.
I still have 100 here. And now how many do I have here? How many 10s? 80. 80. Okay. I have 10 10s here, which make 100. I only have 8 10s here, which make 80. So 200 minus 20 would be
180.
180. Okay. Now 200 minus 30. Look at the pattern. 180, 190, 180. What do you think that is?
170.
170. But let's double check just to make sure. So I'm gonna have to delete another one again, right? So again, the first one here. Whoops. The first one here. Okay, how many 10s do I have again? 10. Okay, and all together is 100. So how many 10s do I have here? 7 now, which makes that how much? 70. Yep. So 200 minus 30 is 170. That's what it would have worked that way. Okay. Now we have to make the sense of the problem. Okay. Okay. Well, what's the problem talking about? Sunny days, right? See? Sunny days. That's what we're talking about. Okay. So how many days are in a year? 365. That's what she started off with. Okay. She recorded how many days were sunny?
186.
186. Okay. And we want to know how many days were not sunny, huh? So 5 minus 6. Can I do that? No. What do I need to do? Borrow from the tens place. Okay. If I borrow 1 from 6, I get 5. And the one that I borrowed goes next door. Instead of 5, I have what? 15. So now 15 minus 6 is 9. Nice job. 5 minus 8. Can I do that? No. So what do I need to do? Borrow from the hundreds place. So if I borrow 1 from 3, I get 2. And the one that I borrowed goes next door to the right. Instead of 5, I have 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so how many days were not sunny? 179. Okay. You could also use, what was the strategy we learned? Base 10 blocks, of course. Okay, we could use that. We could use that. So if you go on to page 54 in your book, okay, here's another strategy. They wrote base 10 blocks, right? Okay. And they had, it says you could use 10 base blocks to subtract 3-digit numbers. So the model shows 365 minus 186. Okay, all the blocks show 365. Okay, 110 and 100 are regrouped. The blocks crossed out show 186. Okay, so the answer was 186, and they have 100, right? And how many tens were 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this was regrouped right here, and that's 8. Okay, with 110. So our answer was 179, right? Which we have right here. How many blocks are left? 100 blocks, 7 tens, and 9 ones. That's how many were left. What about you, bud? So another strategy that they used, they also broke apart by place value, okay? So in 365, how many hundreds do I have? 3. And then how many tens? 6. How many ones? 5. Okay? So then they took, we have 100, okay, 100s, 8 tens, and 6 ones. Okay? 5 minus 6, I can't do that. Okay? So they borrowed 1 from 6, and they got 5 tens. They took that 10 and moved it over to the ones. So instead of 5, I have how much? 15. So now I have 15 ones minus 6 ones, and that's how they got 9 ones. Okay? So then now I have 5 tens, okay, minus 8 tens. Can I do that? No. So they borrowed from the 300s, they got 200. That 100 they moved over to the tens place, and instead of 5 they got 15. So now I have 15 minus 8, which is 7. And that's how they got 7 tens. Okay. And then also they went 200 minus 100, and they got 100 tens. So my answer was 179. Okay, which that is, I have 9 ones, I have 7 tens, and then I have 100s. Okay. My advice to you is use a strategy that is more comfortable for you to use, okay? Now I want you to do this problem. Make sure you show your work, okay? 362 minus 125. Okay, 2 minus 5, can I do that? No, so I have to borrow from the tens place. If I borrow 1 from 6, I get 5, and the one that I borrowed goes next door to the right. So now instead of 2, I have 12. So now I can subtract 12 minus 5 is 7, and 5 minus 2, 3, and then 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. If I did the hundreds blocks, the 10 base blocks, I would start with the number at the top. I would have 3 hundreds, right? And then I have 6 tens. And how many ones? 2, right? 2. Now, and then I have to subtract 5 from this, right? Can I subtract 5 from this?
No.
Can I subtract 5 from this? No. So I have to borrow one of these tens right here, right? So if I borrow one from these tens and I put it here, I have how much now? 10 and 2? 12. Now I could subtract the 5 of these that we have right here. Okay? So 12 minus 5 would be how much? 7. So now we have 7 ones. Okay? And then I have on 125, I have 2 tens. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 2? 3. So I have 3 tens left. Okay? And then I have 3 hundreds plus minus the 100 from 125. 3 minus 1 is 2. So then I would have 2 hundreds. So if I put those together, I have 7 ones, right? How many tens do I have? How many tens do I have?
3.
3 tens. And then how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. Okay, so my answer obviously would be 273. And there's 15 problems on this worksheet. Okay, I'm going to do 2 examples for you. Okay, so 419 minus 305. Okay, so 9 minus 5. Can I do that? Yes. So it's 9 minus 5. 4. Okay, 1 minus 0. 1. 4 minus 3. 1. I'll do the first one for you. Okay. However, look. What's 5 minus 8? I cannot do that. I cannot do that, can I? Okay, so I have to borrow from where? The tens place, which is 8. So if I borrow 1 from 8, I get 7. Instead of 5, I have 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, 7 minus 5?
2.
I can do that, huh? Because the number at the top is bigger. So 7 minus 5 is 2. And then 8 minus 6?
4.
Not 4.
2.
2. 2. So I did both of those.